In this lecture, we will learn how to use arc command. There are several types of arc. First, select 3-point arc. Select first point, then second point, and third point. So, this is the 3-point arc. The next option is start center and arc. Select start point, then select center point, and then select end point. So, this is the start center end point arc. The next option is start center angle arc. First delete this arc and select start center angle arc. Select start point, then select center point, and then give angle up to which we want to make an arc. Give 300 degree of angle and press enter. So this is the start center angle arc. We have different types of arc that we will learn in our upcoming lecture.